unboxing and kind of an impressions of what we think of everything that came in the April BOXYCHARM. So I'm super excited. It is the first one that I've ordered, and I thought who better to try it out with than Allison. So full disclosure, it is super windy in the Midwest right now, so if it sounds like we are in a tornado or a hurricane, that's why. Alright, so the only thing we are not going to be able to try out of it today is the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner Pores No More, which I'm like
really excited about.
So excited about. Like, I can't afford this, but I'm going to use it until it's gone, and maybe it will be a holy grail and we'll have to repurchase it. We'll just have to see.
There's also the BrowGal by Tonya Crooks as well in the shade Light Hair 03.
There's also an Adesse,
I'm really sorry.
New York, which is a high definition lipstick. Oh, I'm really excited to try this. There's also the Tarteist Pro Glow by Tarte, which is a liquid highlighter, and it's
my favorite color.
It's in this shade Stunner, so I'm excited about this as well. It looks pretty. And then, like, honestly, the thing that I'm really excited about,
we're such children.
Yeah, is the My Little Pony Colourpop eyeshadow palette. This is what she looks like. You can see.
Yeah, I love Colourpop.
I feel like we should do a colorful eye and like a nude eye.
Because I'm a nude bitch.
Alright. So she's going to do more of the nude natural tones in the palette, and I will do a more bright eye and try my best to just wing this bitch.
I just want to see this blue on you.
Okay, so I am just going to take this neutral color all the way to the left. I believe it's butterscotch, and just start buffing that into the crease area.
I'm going to take Applejack to begin with. It's right here.
Butterscotch is shimmery as hell, FYI. This is not, it almost looks matte. It looks matte in the pan, but apparently the bitch is not matte. I'm gonna go in with Flutterby over here. The shade is very pigmented. We went there. I mean, this never would have been a palette that I would have purchased. I would have never been drawn to colors like this, so maybe it'll get me out of my comfort zone a little bit. And it is good
in a summery mood.
Yeah, it is good summer colors. It is blending nicely, which I do love Colourpop shadows, so I'm not surprised.
I'm going to take Blossom right here. I'm going to try putting that into the crease, but just a tad higher than normal.
Okay, now that I'm done with Flutterby, I'm going to take Sky Dancer and put that lower in the crease to smoke everything out.
They're very buttery.
Lordy, she is pigmented. And she is purpley pink.
Now I'm going to take Starshine, which is right here, and I'm going to wet my brush a little bit. And then we're just going to place it on the lid. Excuse me.
It's pink! Now I'm going to go in with Snuzzle, which I think is my favorite name out of this palette, and take a flat synthetic brush and just pat that on the lid. I'm gonna see how it performs without wetting the brush first. For Snuzzle, I did not have to wet my brush, and I did not have to use concealer because she went on great.
I'm going to now take Bluebell, which is the lightest shade in the palette. It's pretty much a white shimmery shade, and just mix a little bit of the butterscotch in with it and highlight my brow bone. I would say that's pretty blinding. You look like a My Little Pony.
Honestly, I am pretty impressed with this palette. I think it's very pigmented, and I do think that the shadows blended nicely, and the shimmers, amazing. I also took Bluebell to highlight my brow bone, and I'm going to take a little Firefly and put that in the inner corner.
I'm going to do the same as well, just to put a different color on my face.
It's blue, girl.
Oh,
it's blue. You know, I think I finally figured out what this palette reminds me of. Cotton candy, because my eyes look like cotton candy right now.
They do.
I'm going to take a little bit of the Flutterby and just put that under the eye really quick. I'm going to take Sky Dancer, which I also used in my crease, and just tight line with that. And my thoughts on this palette are, it is obviously not going to be something you reach for every day, and the colors are beautiful. It does blend really well. I thought the shimmer shades were amazing. I did not have to use a wet synthetic brush. I just, I think it's amazing. I think it really did a good job.
For me, I would need more matte shades because I would have to reach for another palette that I have.
We are going to put on some quick mascara and then hop back into the rest of the stuff in the BOXYCHARM. So we will be right back. Okay,
let's go.
So, the BrowGal. I like how small the spoolie is.
I do too.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is pretty tiny.
Compared to like the NYX, which I have in brunette,
Let me try this out.
Very fat.
I think it's definitely darker. I like how tiny the wand is, for sure.
I think that is the perfect color for your eyebrows. Eyebrows are the frame of your eyes. I like it. It's not dark enough for me. I think it's perfect for you. And it's really nice. I do like the brow gels for days where you don't really want to put on a lot of makeup.
It is pigmented. Next, it only makes sense to go with the Tarteist Pro Glow, which is the Tarte highlighter. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand and put it on with a sponge, because it's always scary to go in with a liquid highlighter and dot it, because sometimes they dry down and hold on to your skin and you cannot get those little dots off.
A little dab will do ya normally with these liquid highlighters. You want to start out smaller and then kind of work your way up. It's not liquid. It's hard to blend, I feel.
That's what I'm saying. I feel like it just kind of sticks and then it's there.
Surprisingly, it's not as pigmented as I wanted it to be.
And it's also got a lot of flecks of legit glitter in it.
I feel like if you were going to use this, you would end up using it more as a base and then throwing your highlighter on top of it.
I don't think I'd buy it. I don't think I would buy it.
You're so bummed.
I really
am
am
excited about that.
I really am kind of bummed. I was like, yes, bitch.
It'd be better for the body too if you just want more of like a...
That's what I'll use this for. Body. That's...
Yes, if you're gonna do like highlighting your shoulders, if you're doing senior pictures in the summertime and you want to look glowy for something, or your wedding day, this would be a really good thing to use more on your body and kind of rub around. You could probably mix it with a moisturizer and not use as much of the product and, work it around your shoulders.
Let's see what happens here.
But again, there's other products you can buy to get that effect.
Oh, yeah, no, you should not. Don't buy a Tarte highlighter and put it on your body. If you get one in your BOXYCHARM, find a way to use it because it's expensive. Don't buy it for the purpose of putting it on your shoulders and collarbone. Not worth the price. Tarteist Stunner, I'm not a fan.
We're going to try out the high definition, what is that? Adesse, New York. If we're saying that incorrectly, we're really sorry, but this isn't a product that's like widely talked about here on YouTube, so, but it's really pretty. It's my kind of color.
Pretty. Yeah, it is really pretty.
You do a lip liner, I will not do a lip liner.
Alright.
So I'll put it on and we'll see if it requires one or not. That's the beauty of having two of us. So it doesn't bleed.
It smells vanilla-y. It has like a sweet scent for sure.
But it reminds me of something I've smelled before. It's very silky, kind of. It's not a sticky lip gloss.
I really love it. I just used my regular Wet n Wild gel lip liner in the color Bear to Comment. And I think it looks beautiful. I'm really a fan. I don't think the tone of it matches my eye look right now, but we're gonna go with it anyways.
It's not transfer proof.
No, but it's
definitely
not sticky. Like, I don't feel sticky. I feel like smooth satiny. That's how I feel. I feel smooth and satiny. I think it did a really good job without a lip liner on you for sure, and it does not look like it's bleeding or moving. Props. I enjoy the smell. I love the color, and so far I really like how it applied and how it's wearing. Hopefully this becomes a staple.
It was really easy to apply. The doe foot was definitely, it was flexible enough, and it was elongated, but it was still cushiony as well. I really liked the doe foot applicator on it.
With a rounded top.
Alice approved.
Right. So to go through, honestly, I really do like the My Little Pony palette. I'm a fan. I think it's pigmented. The shimmer, you know, shiny colors are amazing. The mattes seem to perform well too.
Yeah.
You could get a bronzy eye out of it that's more pink than her like, but honestly, I think it looks gorgeous on you. And I can get a crazy eye that blended beautifully.
It's definitely a lot more of like a summery palette.
For sure. Then on to BrowGal. I'm a fan.
I feel like my eyebrows are super glued to where I put them in the first place. They're stuck where they're at.
They really aren't moving. So I think that's a win as well.
Yes.
Tarte Stunner Highlighter.
This is like a
Bitch. I'm not into it. I'm not a fan.
I would use it on my body. I wouldn't use it on my face. It's like more of a mousse. It just leaves almost just like a sparkly residue.
Yeah.
More than
So
that very like fine milled shimmery.
Right. I'm not going to use this on my cheeks. I think I would use it on collarbones, shoulders, whatever. But it's far too expensive to buy just for that purpose. So if you have that opinion on highlighters where you don't like sparkle on the face, I don't think you'll like this. So don't spend your money on it when there are much cheaper options for body highlighters. And then I love this liquid lipstick. I'm a fan. I like it. So far, so good.
It has gotten a little less tacky. I'm a fan. Kudos to however you pronounce your name. Please let us know.
Yes.
Because we need to know.
Somebody let a bitch know.
And everything in today's BOXYCHARM we will link below in the description box. None of this is sponsored.
So this is the final look that we created with BOXYCHARM's April box that they sent. I hope that this was helpful. If you're looking into getting a BOXYCHARM, like she said, it's not sponsored, but I honestly think that it's a great deal. I think everything that they sent, if you add it all together, is well over $100. So to spend $20 and, you know, get 5 full-size products is a steal in my opinion, especially if you're a makeup lover who can't help but buy new products all the time. I feel like this will help me cut back on my Ulta and Sephora trips just because I know that I have this coming in the mail and I'll have new things to play with, and I only spent $20 on it.
I love that everything is full size too.
Alright, thank you for watching our unboxing of the April BOXYCHARM and kind of an impressions and what we thought.
Yes.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave comments down below if you have any questions. We'd love to answer them for you.
Yes. Make sure to subscribe.
Right, because we're just, like, you can't get enough, right?
Right.
Yeah, we're irresistible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
Quiet on set, please.
Marker! Alright.
Me too. This is so bad.
Yeah, this one is really
So much confidence, guys.
Maddie, there's wine in the fridge, and there are wine glasses in the cabinet. Please, for the love of God, I need a glass of wine. What are you gonna do?
Try not to choke on my sweetie.
I'm crazy. Okay, so she's gonna do... I'm staring at the monitor, like every time I talk, I'm staring at the monitor. You're staring at the monitor, we have to quit fucking staring at the monitor. Self-tanners, what are you gonna do?
Ooh.